Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. For today's video, I'm going to be installing a wig, and I have to admit this wig was a little bit more challenging installing than I'm normally used to. I think it might have something to do with the cap size, I'm not sure. But the wig I'm going to be installing today is from this company called Xrsbeauty. And this is what the packaging looked like. I have to admit it was nicely packed. Inside the box, I got these little these little balls that looks like Christmas tree ornaments. However, they have pieces of clippings in it that I'm going to be adding to the hair, and they are all different colors. In total, I have 4 of them. I also got this comb in the box, which has now become my favorite comb because I've been searching for a comb like this but couldn't find it anywhere. Another thing I got in the box is this edge brush, which has a comb, a brush on it, and then it have that little side right there that I could use to apply lace glue. I also got this stocking cap, which I get in most of my boxes, and you know, I need them because I use them all the time. This is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. It's definitely pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It has 4 clips on the inside, no elastic band, and it also doesn't have any lace on the back, which I have to cut off. It is short. I think it's 12 or 14 inches. I'm not really sure, but I'll have the exact length in the description box, so definitely check that out. It is soft and silky to the touch, and the thing I like about it most is the length, just because it looks so natural. You guys will see when I put it on, it looks like my natural hair. So this picture was sent to me to insert in the video by the company that sent the wig, and it's showing, you know, the natural layered edge wig, which is the one I'm going to be installing today, compared to regular plucked wig, which in my opinion, I don't think this is a pluck wig on the right side, but that's what they say. Anyway, I think what they're trying to show is, you know, the difference with how nicely plucked their wig is compared to the picture in the second frame, which I can agree on. It's nicely plucked and it looks really natural. And here I am holding it up against my hand to show you guys a closer look at what it looks like against my skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on just to see what it looks like on me. The cap size of the wig is much bigger than my head, and as a result of that, I did encounter some problems, which I did overcome, of course. So definitely when you're getting your wig, make sure you're getting your right size, or else you're gonna dislike your wig and have so much to complain about. To make the scalp of the hair look even more realistic, I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation onto the stocking cap, because the stocking cap is much lighter and it does not look like real scalp, so adding the foundation is going to tone it down a little bit.
Myself, you knew me though, cause you was all up in my head. You knew you had me when the only time in math class that I dared to touch you. Put on your shoulder though, and when the bell rang, it was over cause we had to go. After a couple
now I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig back on, and as you guys can see, look at how much more natural it looks. This is what I'm talking about. Pinning the hair back to get it out my way, and this will make it so much easier for me to work with.
while I'm sitting eating Cheerios.
Why did you go? You like a timeless cereal, all Cheerios. Take me back to our high school.
Now I'm cutting off the extra pieces that's hanging over my ears, and this will make the hair sit much better around my ears.
The best times, those was the best times. Window shopping at the mall, we were all right. And then all night, pranking on the wrong types. A couple teenagers laughing hard round midnight. I was all in your head, I knew I had you in. The first time we both played truth or dare. You said it first, but I felt it too. 3 little words brought me to you. Go back a couple months, first day of school, choosing classes just to be really close to you. I think you caught on to my freshman ways. Still I never thought we would be our first mistake. Time came and stole our hearts, and even after graduation we would drift apart.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and slit the wig, and this will make it a little bit easier to secure it onto my head.
Eating Cheerios.
Why did you go? You're like a timeless cereal. All Cheerios. Take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like a classic cereal? Oh, here we go. Even though
Now I'm gonna use my Got to Be Glued free spray to hold it onto my hair. And this is not a glue. For some people who don't know, it's just a hairspray, and it has such a strong hold that it's good enough to hold the wig on. It's also not waterproof, so if you're gonna do your hair like this and you plan on going in water, definitely know that it's gonna come off. And if you sweat a lot, it's gonna come off. So if you're gonna do any kind of water activity, if you know you're gonna be sweating, definitely use something that's waterproof. I would say it's a quick alternative to glue. It's a temporary hold, and it will work for your hair depending on what your activity is gonna be. Like I said, it's not waterproof, so if you know you're gonna do anything that's gonna make you sweat a lot or get it wet, definitely don't use this. Use something that's waterproof. I'm gonna put the sides down, tie it down, and allow it to dry some more before I cut the lace off.
The best days, those was the best days. High school went down on a Monday. In the hallway, saw you walking slow. Had to come and introduce myself. You knew me though, cause you was all up in my head. You knew you had me win. The only time in math class that I dared to touch you. But on your shoulder though, and when the bell rang, it was over cause we had to go. After a couple months, we had a label. Boyfriend and girlfriend and unstable. You wore my jersey at the basketball games. Bought a promise ring, gave it to you, then we changed. Time came and took our
Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off the wig.
way we had grown apart. That was a while ago. I heard you happy though. I always think about you while I'm sitting eating Cheerios.
why did you go? You're like a timeless cereal. All Cheerios. Take me back to our high school. That's when I laid eyes on you. Oh, do you know I miss you like a classic cereal? Oh, here we go. Even though we grew apart, we're good in my heart. Yeah, Cheerios.
The best times, those was the best times. Window shopping at the mall.
I did skip through a few steps just because I realized the video was getting too long. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flat iron the hair, and then I'm gonna move on to the finished look.
First time we both played truth or dare. You said it first, but I felt it too. 3 little words brought me to you. Go back a couple months, first day of school, choosing classes just to be really close to you. I think you caught on to my freshman ways. Still I never thought we would be our first mistake. Time came and stole our hearts.
And this is what it looks like, guys. I did not leave no edges out because it's really not needed with this hair. It definitely does look natural and blend in with my skin very well. It feels so soft and silky. Really love that about it. And it feels so light on my hair. It's just amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the colored clip-ins, starting with the green. Since my hair is straight right now, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this piece to match with it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add it into my hair right above my ear. And here it is, a hint of green, and it looks amazing. I did put a little bit of curls in it because I realized I like it better with the curls. Well, I guess I wanted it to look a little bit more full, so that's the reason why I added some curls to it. And it looks good. I really like it. The curls definitely add something to it. And like I said before, it's so nice and soft. My fingers are just running through it like butter. I'm gonna go ahead and try the blue and see how well I like it. I'm not gonna straighten it since I like it with the curls, so I'm just gonna add it with the curls in it, just like it is right now. So I realized with the first piece I didn't show you guys the clip on it, so it's so easy to use. You just push on the back of it to open it, and then to close it you push it the opposite way. And I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with these kind of clips because they use them on most clip-in hairs. I'm clipping it on again right above my ear, and this is how I get it to line up with the rest of the hair. This way when I put it in, it will be the same length as my hair. And there it is, so easy. I really like the pop of color, so these clip-ins are definitely worth it. I went ahead and tried all the colors just to see how well I like them, and to my surprise I couldn't even decide which one I liked best. Each time I put another color, I like it more than the one before, so I think I like them all. Anyway, just in case you guys are interested in this wig, which I think is a great buy by the way, I will link all the information in the description box, so definitely do check that out. Again, the wig is from Xrsbeauty. I'm not sure what length it is. Like I said earlier on in the video, I'll leave that information in the description box, so check that out if you're interested. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!